Hello, welcome to the Outlook. It's September the 19th. Just going to go over a few things that we were looking at yesterday and see if anything sets up. So far, no trades taken this week. They haven't really presented themselves to me. I've had a few ideas, but they haven't set up the way I wanted them to, so I never traded them. Mechanical strategy wise, we're sitting on 44% for the month. Nothing set up this week either, so been really quiet week after a hectic 2 weeks. So let's just get into it. And dollar Swiss, we were looking at this range, so low, high, low, high. So price has been capped here, and this previous month's high as well. So we were looking for some momentum to the downside. We've got that, though this is not really tradable for me. It's quite thin. Can't really put a stop up here and sell there. That would be a bit silly. So we have the initial push. I'm looking for a retracement before continuation. So I'll be looking to play this to the downside of this range. So plenty of time to get involved in this. Might even be a trade for next week. So go and see if we can get the pullback up into this key level before looking at it again. We were looking at Euro New Zealand, higher time frame resistance here, looking for a breakdown. Haven't got it. We've just been going higher. Maybe something for next week, but we have not had a breakdown. Breaking market structure hasn't presented anything, so no trade there. I want to go on to pound yen. It seems to be the closest thing to setting up. We have this swing point here that pushed price higher. So initial high, retracement, and then a push higher. So a break below this would be a break in market structure for me. Stop will go above Monday's high. If it broke down from here, then that would give me the confidence to short it. If it doesn't, it doesn't. That's just the way I trade. The way it's looking, the weekly level is based off this support over here, and then support and resistance here. You'll see it clearer on the daily. So resistance, support. So it is a pivotal level. So we'll see if we can get that breakdown. If it doesn't set up by 7 o'clock tonight on Thursday, then I do not open trades on Friday. That's just the way I trade. Everything is timed and down to different points. One other thing that's caught my eye is euro pound. Basically, we have this little trend going lower. As you know, I'm a reversal trader, so we have this little trend going lower, and I'm looking for a breakout of that, but also a breakout of this swing point here. This is a key swing because it's sat right below previous support. So I wouldn't be longing up into this support. I'm waiting for that to break up into this resistance. Sorry, waiting for that to break before trading higher. Nice little shelf of stops up here as well. But I would hold that to Friday close, see if we can get any momentum on that. And yeah, that's it. Nothing really. Dollar CAD didn't really do anything. I have this level that I'm watching. This level because we had quite a strong reaction from it. So we could get one more run up before we get the short. I was around here once this high was taken. I was looking for a breakdown to open sell positions, but never got the breakdown and no trade presented itself. So can't really do much if they do not present themselves. Pound is just going sideways, so not really interested in that either. Higher time frame, I put a blog out looking at New Zealand yen. The level I put out on the blog was this level. If I zoom out, you can see support, resistance, resistance, support, support, quite a nice level. And we were looking to sell just a retest of that level. It's coming off quite nicely, and we just broke below monthly's range again, and it looks like it's going to go a bit lower. So that level working nicely. But the closest thing to a trade is pound yen, and that is the thing that I'm looking at, and euro pound. Dollar Swissy and Euro New Zealand could be something for next week. So yeah, that's your lot today. Quite a quiet week. Even mechanical strategy wise, it's been quiet for us in the group. But I'll try and I'm definitely going to be putting these videos out daily of what I'm looking at. I think it's good to get the content out there. If there's any pairs you want me to look at, you can just email or hit me up in the DMs. So we'll see where we're at the end of day, and I'll maybe post out another video.